viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut a suspender dress. So let's go to the cutting section. Welcome back. I'm using these 3 yards of this fabric to cut out the suspender dress. You're seeing? So now the first thing I'm going to do is to cut out the half cut. If you check the style very well, you will see it has half cut. So I'm using this. I'm going to deduct an half cut from this fabric. Now I'm taking 5 inches up for the suspender part of it. So to the half cut of 16 inches. You can see it. So the seam allowance, I'm making it 16.5 inches. So this is it. So now this is it. You can see it. This is 11.5 inch. If you plus it with the 5 inch we take up, so that will give us, this is it, 16.5. So this is 11.5 inches. You can see it. So now I'm going to fold this into 4. Into 4 equal parts. It doesn't have zip, so I'm going to put the zip at the side. So now this is into 4 equal parts. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out. The shoulder, the armhole, the bust and the waist. So the shoulder here I'm using 7.5 inches. So now this is 7.5 inches. You can see it, 7.5 inches. Don't forget we're taking 5 up. The armhole is also 7.5 inches. Then the half cut. So the bust here is 44 inches. The bust is 44 inches. This is 11 inches. 11 inches into 4 gives us 44 inches. So with a seam allowance of 2 inches. So 36 inches for the waist. This is 9 inches. 9 into 4 gives us 36 inches. So with the seam allowance of 2 inches. So then I'm going to join the sketch. You can see. Like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out. So you can see it. This is how it's going to look like. So the next thing I'm going to do now is the down part. Then I'm going to put this aside first. So this is into 2 first. Then I'm going to fold it into 4 now. You can see the way I fold it into 4. This is into 4. So the first thing you're going to consider now is to determine where you can get the waist. Starting from here. So I'm using 18. This 18. Maybe I can get the waist from there. So like this. So So I can get my waist from here. Give us 36 inches. So this is my 9 inches. You can see it. So I'm starting from there, taking the half cut up 16.5 inches to get my full length, which is 57 inches. So that is how you're going to do it round. So when you get here, I'm going to reduce it to it's 57 inches there. So when I get here, I'll reduce it to 56, 55. To 55, you can see. So then I'm going to cut. I'm joining the sketch. Then I'll cut for you to see the way the shape is going to look like. Before I cut it out, I'm going to determine where the hip is going to be. So here is the hip point. So hip 44 inches. This 44 inches. So with the same allowance of 1 inch. So it's okay. The hip point is okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is to cut it out. You have to be very careful when you're cutting it this way. So now I'm cutting it out. So I'm supposed to cut these two together, but I don't want it to reduce my measurement. So I'll later slit it when I'm through with the cutting. So you can see it. You can see how it looks like. So you can see the shape. So the main part now, to make the suspender part of it. Now I'm going to use this 4.5 inches for the suspender part of it. So the length now, from the beginning of the tutorial, you can see the way I take 5 up for the suspender. So now this the 5 for the front and the 5 for the back give us 10 inches. So but we're going to put a seam allowance for it. So I'm making use of the turning, the everything. Instead of this 10, it's supposed to be 10. So with a seam allowance of 3 inches. So I'm making it 13 inches. So the longness is going to be 13 inches. I'm going to cut it out now. So this is 13 inches. So now just have to fold it into two this way. Then this is how it's going to stand. You stitch it here, stitch it, then you turn it to the right, then you place it on the shoulder to complete the shoulder. So this is it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.